Hello dear children, we continue with our number work. I'm sure you become experts in 4-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers, expanded form, place and place value. We go a step further and today we will be learning bigger and smaller numbers and also to arrange the numbers in the ascending and descending order.
Now we are going to be doing the numbers just before and after a given number. For example, when the number is 5, the number just before 5 will be 4. The number just after 5 is 6. Now, if you see a relation between the two, 5 minus 1 gives you 4 and 5 plus 1 gives you 6. So when you add 1 to 5, you get the next after number. Whereas you subtract 1 from 5, you get the before number. Let's take another example. Now, the number 8. So, the number just before 8 will be 8 minus 1 and that will be 7. The number just after 8 will be 8 plus 1 and that will be 9. So, now we are going to be learning to do before and after number for higher order numbers. Now, we have got here number 68. Now, when you subtract 1 from 68, you get 67. That is the before number. And when you add 1 to 68, you get 69 and that will be the after number. So, the number just after 68 is 69 and just before 68 is 67. Now, similarly, we have got 70 here. The number just before 70 will be 70 minus 1 and that will be 69. And the number just after 70, you'll have to add 1. So that is 70 plus 1, that is 71. Now we do the number which comes just before and the number which comes just after. The first number here is 2999. To get the number which is just after, first let us do the after number. We will add 1. So when you add 1, the answer becomes 3000. So the just after number is 3000. And the just number before 2099 will be, what comes before 99? 98. So 2998. Now after 800 comes 801. So the after number will be 3801. Now before 800 comes 799. So the number just before will be 3799. Now always remember children, the last two digits will give you an idea as to what will be the next number. After 98 comes 99. So it will be 7799. Now before 98 comes 97. So it will be 7797. What comes after 1000? After 1000 comes 1001. And before 1000 comes 999. Now what comes after 59? After 59 it is 60. So 459, 460. So 3460. Now before 59 comes 58. So it is going to be 458. So it will be 3458. After 5009 comes 5010. And before 5009 comes 5008. Now, I will arrange them from small to big. So this will come here, and this will come here, and this will come here. Next is a set of 3s. I arrange them too from small to big. So let us see. This will come first, then comes this, and then comes the tallest. Correct? The next is I've got a set of squares. The biggest square comes last, the bigger one in the middle, and then the smallest square comes here. Now this, children, when the objects are arranged in the increasing order, that is from small to big, we call it as the ascending order. When objects are arranged from a smaller to a bigger or in the increasing order, we call it as the ascending order. Let's do the ascending order of these three single numbers, 8, 4 and 2. 2 is being the smallest. So that means 2 is smaller than 4 and 4 is smaller than 8. So this is the ascending order. In the same way, 3 is the smallest number. So 3 is smaller than 6 and 6 is smaller than 8. Look at the objects which have been arranged. Here you can see now the circle is in the decreasing order. The bigger to the smallest one. The biggest to the smallest. The square also from the biggest to the smallest. The trees also in the same order. So when it is arranged in the decreasing order, we call it as descending order. Now let's do the descending order of these single digits. So the biggest number is going to be 8. So 8 is going to be greater than 6 and 6 is going to be greater than 3. Now here again the biggest number is 8. 8 is going to be greater than 4 and 4 is going to be greater than 2. Write the numbers in the ascending and descending order. The first number given to us is 2345, 2349, 2347. Now let's first arrange it in the ascending order. Now before beginning, the first thing we need to do is we need to count if all of them have the same number of digits. So here it's 4, here it is 4, here it is 4. We begin with the highest place. The highest place is the thousands place. Again the numbers are the same. So once that is same, we go to the next. So here again the numbers are the same. You go to the next. Here the number is 4. Again it is the same. Now we look at the units place. Here it is 5, here it is 9 and here it is 7. Here it is 5 units, it's 9 units and 7 units. So 5 units is going to be smaller. So the smallest number is going to be 2345, which is lesser than 2347, which is lesser than 2349. Now, let us look at the next. Now, if we have to arrange these numbers in the descending order, then what will it be? It will be just the reverse. The biggest number will be coming first. So, the descending order, 2349 is greater than 2347, which is greater than 2345. So that is the first sum. Now the second sum says, arrange the numbers in the ascending and descending order, 6,000, 5,070, 3,007. Now first we will arrange them in the ascending order. Now, first thing we need to do is we need to see how many digits. Here there are 4, 4, 4. Then start from the highest place. Here it is 6,000, 5,000, 3,000. So the smallest is 3,007, which is lesser than. Next is 5,070, which is lesser than 6,000. Now, when we do the descending order, it will be the reverse. The biggest number will come first. Because it is in the decreasing order. So 6,000 is greater than 5,070 is greater than 3,007. The ascending order will be, now starting from the thousands place, it is 5,000, 2,000, 3,000. So the smallest is 2007. 2007 is lesser than 3007, which is lesser than 5007. And the descending order will be again from the biggest to the smallest. So 5007 greater than 3007, which is greater than 2007.
I'm sure now you will be able to solve the exercises. Thank you very much, dear children. Stay safe.